on some ruffles or gathers in it. I'm a fashion design student. I think Clothes 3D is really helpful for us, or even just anyone in general. Other people that are not in this field are also learning a lot from it. To be able to simulate whatever garments you want, place them on an imaginary model, and be able to see exactly what you want designed and come to life.
Clothes 3D is a digital design software which helps our students to create digital fashion pattern making on 2D and 3D scales, which we have introduced to cater and to help them improve their pattern making skill.
Clothes 3D is helping me develop my designs in a 3D software rather than a 2D software like Photoshop. It is going to save me a lot of time. Instead of like making pattern on the paper and making mock-ups on the calico, I can just go directly on the good fabric.
This is the first on-site workshop for TMUC Islamabad campus, Pakistan, and I am really happy I can help students expand their horizons in the digital fashion.
Here at TMUC Art and Design Department, we try to incorporate techniques and methods that are universally recognizable. Since the world is moving towards AI, so this is our priority that our learners are exposed to digital fashion industry and the techniques that are used in the fashion market.